Somebody get an infection, see how to use it. You just watch the seed like this. You want to treat an infection, maybe from your friend, your sister, all the time you as a man. Infection is a problem. You want to urinate, sometimes it come out with blood. See what I want to show you. Even though you don't have the problem, learn it because of tomorrow. Learning the say it's a continual process. Wash the plant the way I am watching my own. You want to treat an infection, maybe from your mom. Wash it very well, make sure it is clean. I want to show you how to use it to treat an infection. Maybe your mom, your dad, all the time you battle with gonorrhea infection. You have been taking medication, but you know AV. See the solution here. Sometimes you get staphylococcus bacteria. That kind of bacteria is very, very stubborn. You take antibiotics today. After 3-4 days, infection will still come back at home. Look at the plant. This seed from this plant here, just the seed. Look at the plant. It's a common plant. But I know today, if you see our children back at home, harvest more of the plant, put it, you say poison, poison. It's not poison. Today here, to get your time. The seed, if you touch it, it's very hard inside. This is the seed. Very, very hard. If you touch it, it's very hard. Look at the seed, it's very hard inside. When you get the seed that I am chewing now, get the seed, at least 12. Then when you get it 12, see the solution here. Then you get this other plant here. What we call garlic onion sativa. Garlic. Then you peel out the garlic like this. After this one for infection, I will talk about the one for pressure, for sugar, or somebody with big tummy. You want to bring down tummy. After this one, I will talk about the one for pie, cocoa. Maybe you go to do here. Just get the seed from this one. When you get it, see what to do. You get Canada, see something here. Just get a seed, a good quantity from the seed. Once you get a good quantity, see how to fill it back at home. Maybe you're afraid. Maybe you're local. You have been complaining about infection 10 years. 15 years, no cure. But you attach salt, see what to do here. Woman, they get white. Woman, they get menstrual pain. All the time you as a man, you get weak erection. All the time erection, they weak as a man. You never go long term, play short term because of infection. When you get the seed, see what to do here. Then you wash the seed very well. Gonorrhea infection is a problem. Maybe 10 years, 15 years. You have been battling with infection. But you know, I've been get the seed. But I know, most of the things where they kill African shame, some ignorant. But you forget to know that shame and ignorance is a massive break. Where great ideas and great thought have been buried. When you get the seed now, look at the plant if they are just coming. These are the seed from this plant. Once you get it now, get this other plant we call garlic onion. See what to do here. Okay, see something here. When you get the seed from this plant now, see what to do. Then you get the seed, then you peel out the garlic. See what to do. Peel out the garlic the way I'm showing you. When you reach home, do the same and work the same. There is no magic in what I am doing here. The only magic I know in my life is ignorance. See what to do. When you get it now, see something. Then you wash it with the garlic. When you attach it together with the garlic, in the morning, don't drink water. Don't eat anything. Before you eat anything, count the seed, 12 seed, with 1 piece of garlic. Look at the plant. Don't eat anything infection. Maybe you urinate in pain, you urinate come out with blood. Woman, you get white. It is all the time. Chew the seed. The way I am chewing. Oh, if you chew it very well, get your normal water now after chewing the seed. See something here. Then you push it down. See the plant here. When you get it in the morning, 12 seed with 1 garlic. Chew it in the morning. Stay for 2 hours before you eat something. In the evening when you want to go to bed, get the same seed of the plant with 1 piece of garlic. You chew it in the evening. Morning, evening for 7 days. After 7 days, infection becomes a history. That's why you can call me. See this paper, I get my phone number. You can call me with this number. You look at the paper here, you get our phone number. You can call us if you forget something.